Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Rattina from Animal Hospital. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the eyes with two curves up, leaving a small gap in the center. And then a curve underneath each one to close off the eyes. Now inside each eye, let's draw two curves down. And then add a circle inside on the top right. And color the rest of the pupils in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw three curves for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add the snout. Let's start with the curve underneath in the center. Then from each end, let's curve it down and back up in the middle. And then inside, let's add an oval at the bottom for the nose. And color this in black. Now underneath, let's add the teeth with two lines down. A line across. And one more line down in the center. And now on each side of the nose, let's draw some diagonal lines down for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the bow. Let's start on top of the left eye and let's draw a square with four curved lines like this. Then from the top corners, let's bring it out on each side. Then let's bring it down. A curve in on the left, and one up and in on the right. Now underneath each side, let's draw two curves down on an angle. And close off the ends with a curve like this. Now that we're done the bow, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top of the bow and let's add a curve across. Now let's continue it down and curve it in. And the same on the other side. And let's close off the bottom with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start with two large curves up and back down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's leave a small gap and let's draw two curves down. And then close it off at the bottom. Now for the arms, let's hop back up and let's draw two curves down on the left And the same thing on the right. And then let's add a curve around the ends for the hands. Now that we're done the upper body, let's hop down and draw the legs. Let's draw 2 lines down in the center. And 2 more on the outside. And then a curve around the bottom for the feet. And that's it for Rattina. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!